how to get different shields in Monopoly Go. This is Generation Unravel and welcome to another video. So what are shields? Shields are important in protecting your board, and if you head over to click the shields, you'll see that there are 3 other more shields, and you can get even more than that. And you can unlock them by doing something. As well as tokens, of course. It's the same as shields and tokens. Each shield have different appearances, and it can be used for other purposes. It could be much stronger than what we have now. And in order to get that, you can play with deals, or you can do events, participate in their events. But right now for me, I don't really have events. And another thing you can do is tasks, which you can see if you head over here on the bottom left, which is wins. But as you can see, I need to reach level 35. So I will reach level 35 just to show you how it would look like. Okay, here I have already reached level 35 after much time of grinding, and it should give you a task so you can get daily rewards or weekly rewards. So it's now unlocked. Okay, so yeah, I also have daily treats. And as you can see, day 7 is gonna award you with a token. Just like I told you, token and shields, these are rare stuff. So here are quick wins. So like daily tasks, you roll 5 times. These are the daily complete quick wins. Quick wins are like daily tasks, while the ones on the bottom part is the weekly tasks. And weekly tasks usually have big prize like shields. So I assure you that you will get your shield. Just continue, keep on playing, participate in events, complete your tasks, and you get it. That is how you get different shields in Monopoly Go. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.